Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing the living area and then I'm done with this plan finally. So the living room is really small and at this point it's kind of awkward. So we'll have to see how well I can make this space look. So I'm placing the rug first, seeing as all the other pieces of furniture will kind of be placed around it. I've learned that when working with a small amount of space, the size and scale of your furniture is really important. So that's one thing you have to really pay attention to when you're furnishing a space. So I'm placing a table below where I plan on putting the TV. At the time I wasn't sure if I wanted it on the wall or placed on the table. But looking back at it now, seeing as I did put it on the wall, I could have used a much shallower piece of furniture. So I'm placing this sofa across from where the TV is supposed to go. I chose this one because it's open underneath and the back is really low, which means it doesn't take up a lot of space visually. And also I'm making it white because it's a smaller space, and you know, white kind of brightens up a room and allows it to feel a lot bigger than it really is. Honestly, the layout in here could have been a lot nicer. I'm getting much better ideas now that I'm finished with it and looking back, but I really don't want to redo this. I'm kind of over it. If I were to actually do this design in someone's house, I would honestly just not go along with what I had planned. You'll see that I moved this corner shelf earlier. I decided to put it back because at the time I thought I wanted to change it. I had something else in mind, but in the end I saw that this was the best placement for it in such a small room. While doing these, I normally try many different pieces of furniture in the room before finally landing on something I like, because it's a process, but more often than not, you actually like the end results. Because it's such a small amount of space, it really didn't take long to get to the finishes and the decor pieces, as I'm doing now. For anyone watching, please comment down below, let me know what your favorite design styles are. I'd really like to use some of that as inspiration for my future videos. I've come to realize that a real struggle with furnishing a space is the small things. It's so hard to find the right kind of things to put on shelves and on top of tables. It's serious. Right now I'm really just placing random things in places just to fill up the surfaces so it doesn't look really empty. But this is all I'll be doing for this video, and please stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to run a walkthrough of the entire plan here because this is the end of it all. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment and let me know how you feel about this plan, and I'll see you next time.